The sun codes coming in today are speaking on the clearing of old patterns that stem from deep-seated fears, insecurities, traumas, often taken on in our childhood. So this will help with the dislodging of those densities within our field so that we can see them for what they are, recognize them, and move them out so that we can move forward and create new, healthier patterns that are more serving to us and help us to fully establish our sovereignty and safety. Iare tu kiara su etaria tatesa taria poporosu ya kia si ea ne aya no tari ia da ea to u shakata I ato isu taria aya na to u ya taria shata ia sai tai aya taria aya tori kia ya taria si taria sai aya te kia to uria aya ro toros